In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Turbotax account online in 2023. Whether you're switching services or simply no longer need it, deleting your account is a straightforward process. I'll guide you step by step to ensure you can do this easily and efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to the official Turbotax website. You can do this by typing in Turbotax into your search bar and selecting the link that takes you to their official page. Once you're there, you'll see the home page welcoming you with options to file your taxes. Look for the Sign In button, which is usually located on the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed to the Sign In screen. Now it's time to log into your Turbotax account. Enter your account credentials, your email and password, and click Sign In. You'll be taken to your Turbotax homepage, where you can access all your account information. Once you're signed in, locate the Turbotax Home option. This is typically a dashboard-like area where you can manage various aspects of your account. Now that you're in your account dashboard, look for an option that indicates your Intuit account settings. This might be labeled as Intuit account or something similar. Clicking on this will direct you to a page that manages your personal settings and information. Next, among the options on this settings page, locate the Data and Privacy section. This is where Turbotax stores options related to your personal data management. It's a critical area because it houses your privacy settings and the option to delete your account. Inside the Data and Privacy section, you should see the Delete option. Clicking this will open a new page prompting you to confirm your decision to delete your account. Before proceeding, make sure you've downloaded any important documents or tax returns you wish to keep. As this action is irreversible, follow the prompts to confirm the deletion. The system might ask you for additional confirmations to ensure that you really want to delete your account. Once confirmed, your Turbotax account will be scheduled for deletion. You'll likely receive a confirmation email indicating the process has started and will be completed shortly. And there you have it, you've successfully initiated the deletion of your Turbotax account. Remember, it might take a little time for the entire process to finalize, so keep an eye on any emails from Turbotax for confirmation that your account has been fully deleted. If you have any concerns or experience any issues during this process, Turbotax support is available to help. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.